moment, viewers, we need to quickly shift our attention to more breaking news coming in. This with regards to the Mumbai hit and run case. In the latest breaking news, we're learning that Rajesh Shah, the Sena leader, has been removed from his party position. So he's been stripped off his position. That's what is coming in the latest. This after his son Mihir Shah was arrested after having absconded for over 50 hours. So he's been arrested. The other family members, including Mihir's mother and sisters, were also being questioned by the police. They too have been detained. And in the latest, we're learning that Shinde Sena has expelled Rajesh Shah from the party. So he stands expelled. He's been removed from the party. This given the manner in which investigations have revealed the involvement of his son Mihir Shah. And remember, it was the Mumbai police that in fact laid out for everyone the manner in which Rajesh Shah enabled Mihir Shah's escape. And of course, one is fearing at the moment that given that there's been 3 days gap between, when the incident first took place and when the arrest was finally made, a lot of time has been lost, which means a lot of evidence may have also been lost. Let me go across to Yasha joining us with more details. Yasha, investigations continue, but given the political pressure that Shinde Sena is facing, this is an answer perhaps coming in from the Sena that we have nothing to do with Rajesh Shah, who stands involved in this case along with his son. So we've removed him from the party. We've expelled him. What more do we know?
So this comes in as a reaction by the party. In fact, when this accident had taken place, Eknath Shinde had mentioned that there will be no influence that will be used, despite whatever position the accuser's father holds. There will be a fair probe that will be made. Of course, but it took 3 days for cops to begin with their investigation. Mihir Shah was only arrested yesterday. He's yet to be produced before the court today, and which is where now we see that he's been removed from his position. He was holding the position of Upneta for Palghar by the Eknath Shinde faction. He was in fact arrested by the Mumbai police on Sunday for having tampered with evidences. He was let off. In fact, the court though called the arrest illegal and said that that he should be released. He was released on a surety bond on a bail of 15,000 rupees. But now this clearly shows, while we of course see that there's action being taken against people involved with this case, including the bar from where Mihir was seen stepping out on Sunday morning. That bar is where he is taking action against. Amidst all of this, of course, we've seen as of now the Eknath Shinde press note that on the instructions of Eknath Shinde is where Rajesh Shah is being removed from his position. He was one of the top leaders of a party from Palghar. But this action comes in just as Mihir Shah has been arrested. In fact, the entire family of Rajesh Shah was under the scanner. His wife and daughters were also detained yesterday by cops for helping Mihir escape from the city. So while all of them are under the scanner, this comes out as a statement by the Eknath Shinde faction to show that strict action is being taken against those who are involved in this case. Yes.
12 family members and friends of Mihir Shah have also been detained by the police, which speaks volumes of how the investigation is on in full swing. But speaking a little bit about the kind of political pressure that the Shinde Sena, the Eknath Shinde Sena is facing. Now we do finally see one of the representatives of his party reaching out to the victim's family. So Milind Deora is going to be visiting the victim's family at 5:30 p.m. This is the first such step taken by the Shinde Sena, Yasha, because we've seen several from the opposition already make their way to the victim's family already.
Absolutely. In fact, this was something that we saw victim's family speak about time and again, stating that there's only been a lip service done. There was no one has really bothered to speak to them. Despite an accident that is taking place. In fact, over the last 2 days, we saw Varsha Gaikwad, the MP from Congress, visiting the victim's house. Apart from that, this morning, Aditya Thackeray along with Aslam Sheikh, both of them were at victim's house. They also spoke about how strict action needs to be taken against those involved in this. But all this while, there were questions that were being asked as to why no one from the Eknath Shinde faction had spoken to the family, taken cognizance of this. Which is why we see Milind Deora will be visiting the family later in the day, around 5:30. Amidst all of this, we also see that this very person, Rajesh Shah, has also been removed from his position in the party. This all comes in as questions were being raised by several opposition leaders. One particularly about how Rajesh Shah was allowed to go on bail in 24 hours after his arrest. Apart from that, there were questions also which were being raised on the point that that it took 3 days for police to arrest Mihir Shah. All of these were questions that were being asked by the opposition to the Chief Minister, particularly pointing to the fact that the person who was accused in this case was the son of a top leader from the party. Amidst all of this criticism that comes in towards Eknath Shinde's action is where we see that these action is being taken. Okay.
Well, we've also heard it from Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, come out to say previously that nobody will be allowed to misuse their position or influence or manipulate the system. And so the investigations should be expected on a totally unbiased process. So that's the way he has come out to in fact defend the manner in which investigations have been ongoing. But Yasha, since Mihir stands arrested now and there are a couple of other family members of Mihir who've also been detained for questioning, do we see things progressing forward? A couple of serious actions have been slapped against Mihir Shah, though the demand coming in from the opposition's end is that he must be charged for murder.
In fact, however, what we see is that in this case, questions still remain unanswered as to why it took police 3 days to find Mihir Shah. Of course, right from the opposition to the family members, all of them have mentioned that the fact that after 3 days of arrest, it becomes difficult to find whether there is alcohol in the blood or not. So all of these are questions that remain unanswered. Though cops have ascertained that they have the CCTV footage from inside the bar, they have CCTV footage from outside the bar, and they also have the bar bill to show that Mihir Shah was driving under the influence of alcohol. Cops have further gone on to confirm that it was Mihir who was behind the wheels because of whom the accident took place. As of now, when we speak of the accused in this case, while there's not been a proper interrogation with him in a basic information that was sought from him, he's confessed that he was behind the wheels. So yes, the investigation is progressing. Though the pace at which the investigation is progressing is something that's being questioned right from this action on the bar where he was found drinking, particularly an important piece of evidence is something that can be destroyed when it comes to the BMC action. All of these are questions that are being questioned on the investigative agencies. In fact, when we speak of the cops, they had also visited this spot in the last couple of days, so had Excise Department and BMC. Amidst all of this, of course, when we speak of the investigation being done by all of these agencies, it is something that lays question on the investigative bit by all of them and the pace at which the investigation is progressing.
Absolutely. The first big question being asked as far as investigations go is that so much time has been lost. Mihir Shah has been arrested after over 58 hours of him having absconded after this shocker of a tragedy that's come to light from Mumbai. Thanks for that, Yasha. Let's now talk about the victim's family. Like I said, this evening we will be seeing the first political representative from Shinde Sena also make their way to the Worli residence of the victim's family. But we've been speaking to the victim's husband, the victim's daughter. Here are those reactions.
सर अभी जो है पुलिस ने ये कहा है कि मिहिर शाह को अरेस्ट किया गया है शाहपुर से। सर आपको लगता है कि आप कई बार कह रहे थे कि धाराएं सही नहीं लगी है, तो आपको लगता है कि आप जो अरेस्ट किया तो आपको न्याय मिलेगा?
अभी तो न्याय मिलने वाला नहीं है, क्योंकि उसको 24 घंटे का अंदर पकड़ लेता तो समझ में आता था। अभी बताओ, अगर उसने गुनाह नहीं किया तो वो छुप क्यों गया? उसने गुनाह नहीं किया तो वो छुप क्यों गया? वो सामने क्यों नहीं आया? अगर उसने नहीं लेके गया, एक्सीडेंट नहीं किया तो वो सामने क्यों नहीं आया? 3 दिन छुपा क्यों? इसका राज क्या है? इसमें पॉलिटिकल कुछ है? इधर इसमें कुछ पॉलिटिक्स रहेगा, इसलिए वो छुपा है ना। हाँ, अभी वो ऊपर से वो लोग प्रेशर डालेंगे, हो गया खत्म। क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग गरीब लोग हैं, हम लोग क्या बड़ा वकील नहीं कर सकते? हमारे पीछे कोई नहीं है।
सर ये भी कहा जाता है इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कि आप लोग जब स्कूटी पे थे तो तकरीबन 1.5 किलोमीटर तक आपकी वाइफ को गाड़ी से धक्का लगा गया।
ऐसा कौन बोला 1.5 किलोमीटर तक गया? अभी बताओ, सीजे हाउस से सीलिंग कितना किलोमीटर है हमको बताओ। सीजे हाउस आप जानते हैं, सीलिंग जानते हैं? फिर मेरा औरत क्या उधर गिर के 1.5 किलोमीटर गिर के क्या चल के गया उधर?